Hello everyone, let's welcome you with episode 8. Let's see how to turn off the object layer through layer toolbar. You can see that there are different layer colors for different objects. Now let's see how to change this layer color into a different layer color. Firstly, go to layer section and you can see we have different layers colors with their names for better identification. Now let's first turn off the furniture layer to work easily. Now match properties will do the thing. Click onto the color you want to change the design into. For suppose we had to change it into red layer color, so we firstly click on the red color and apply on the design we want to change it into. You can change the other layers into the red layer color as well. Now let's turn on the furniture as our layer color changing is now done and you can see the furniture which was kept off is now visible in the plot and the layer changing is done. Thanks for watching.